Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan salmon. We'll transform simple ingredients into a delicious plant-based alternative that looks and tastes remarkably like the real thing. You'll learn to create the perfect texture and vibrant color, making it ideal for sushi, bagels, or any dish where you'd typically use smoked salmon. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this innovative recipe. First, let's prepare the base. Thinly slice your chosen ingredient, whether it's carrots or konjac root, to mimic salmon fillets. Next, we'll create a flavorful marinade. Combine ingredients like nori, caper brine, and a touch of liquid smoke to give it that authentic ocean taste. Allow the slices to marinate for at least 2 hours or even overnight for maximum flavor absorption. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're enjoying learning how to make this amazing vegan salmon, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious plant-based recipes. And on another note, just like you want your vegan salmon to be top-notch, you deserve top-notch socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the magic of texture and appearance. After marinating, gently cook your base until it's tender but still holds its shape, creating that desirable flaky texture. To get the iconic salmon color, a blend of paprika and a tiny bit of beet juice works wonders. For an extra touch of realism, pipe on some thin white lines using vegan cream cheese. It truly elevates the visual appeal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.